Login failed on Webull App Fix. You open your Webull app, ready to trade or check your watch list, and suddenly login failed. It's annoying, but here's the surprising truth. Most of the time, the problem isn't with your account. It's something you can fix in minutes. Let's start with your internet connection. Webull needs a stable connection for secure authentication. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or another trusted network. Weak or unstable signals can instantly cause login failures. Next, update your app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Webull, and see if an update is available. Many users overlook this, but outdated versions often conflict with Webull's new security patches. Then, manually re-enter your username and password. Avoid using autofill, it can insert outdated or incorrect credentials. If you've changed your password recently, make sure you're typing the newest version. If you're using two-factor authentication, make sure the code you're entering is current. Codes expire within seconds, and entering an old one will trigger a failed login every time. Still having trouble? Clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Webull Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears temporary data that might be corrupt. Also, check that your phone's date and time are set correctly. Webull's secure server checks your device time to verify your login request. If your phone clock is off, the login process might be rejected. And if you've done everything right, but it still won't login, don't worry, Webull might be performing maintenance. This happens occasionally during late hours or system updates. So next time you see login failed on the Webull app, stay calm. Check your connection, update the app, and clear your cache. Most of these fixes take less than 5 minutes, and you'll be back to trading and tracking the market in no time.